In my previous video, I showed you how the best way to overcome the price objection was to not overcome it and instead anticipate and tackle the objection. But let's say that you never got a chance to anticipate the objection because the prospect raised the price objection before you got in front of it. What do? Well, you can still stay in the driver's seat on the discussion if you know how to handle this objection. Listen carefully because this is really important and most rookie sales reps screw this up. When you hear the price objection, don't be like the rookie sales rep who gets nervous and immediately responds by offering a discount. If you offer a discount right away, the customer sees that it was really easy to get you to move off your price, and to them, it feels like you were trying to rip them off. If you drop your price right away, you really lose all credibility. Also, the prospect will often feel like you can drop it even more. Remember to treat negotiations like wringing out a wet towel. You're the wet towel and the water is money coming out of the wet towel. Just imagine, when does someone stop wringing out a wet towel? When it stops giving water. So what do you do instead of offering a discount? You have to work to uncover the origin of the price objection. You have to figure out what they mean when they say, the price is probably too high for us to move forward right now. Here's my playbook for getting to the real objection. The first thing you need to do is take a deep breath, make eye contact with your prospect, and you look at them a little curiously, almost like you're a little surprised that they could be asking this right now, and you don't see, it's weird that they don't see how valuable this would be. You want to be subtle about this though. You never want to be condescending, maybe nod your head a little like you understand. If you want, in your head, silently count to 2 when you hear a price objection. It's amazing how many customers will just answer their own objections or at least give you information right then when you just say nothing. So don't be afraid of silence when someone has an objection. Remember, when you're handling objections, you're kind of like Yoda handling the rocks that Count Dooku threw at him. So be a sales Jedi, handle those objections, and don't get hit by any flying rocks. Thanks for watching, and if you like what you've seen, please share and subscribe. See the link in the description below to get all the field sales training videos that I've made. If there's a particular field sales topic that you would like me to cover, just mention it in the comments below, or feel free to reach out to me at steve@badgermapping.com. Happy selling, everybody.